Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm going to teach you mathematics, and mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. We are going to start unit number 17 for 9th class, which is named as Practical Geometry Triangles. Firstly, you must know that what is geometry. The word geometry comes from two words which are geo and metron. The word geo means earth and metron means measurement. We can say that geometry is the measurement of the earth. All the shapes on the earth can be measured. We can define it as a branch of mathematics that deals with the sides, shapes, positions and dimensions of the things is called geometry. Circles, squares and triangles are the simplest shapes in geometry. Today we will discuss triangles. You know that three-sided shape is called triangle. In a triangle there must be three angles, three vertices and three sides. The sum of three angles must be equal to 180 degree. Now we will discuss how to construct a triangle. In the first question from exercise 17.1, we have to construct a triangle ABC in which measure AB equal to 3.2 cm, measure BC equal to 4.2 cm and measure CA equal to 5.2 cm. Three sides are given. We have to construct a triangle. Firstly, we will write the given things. Three sides of the triangle are given, which are named side AB, BC and CA. It is required that construct a triangle ABC. सबसे पहले हम longest side को draw करेंगे, which is CA equal to 5.2 cm. Draw a line segment CA which is equal to 5.2 cm. You can draw this line segment by using a scale. Now you have to take a compass. अपनी कंपास का एक पॉइंट स्केल के 0 सेंटीमीटर पर रखें और उसके दूसरे पॉइंट को ओपन करें 3.2 सेंटीमीटर तक. In this way you can open your compass with radius 3.2 cm. Now you have to keep your compass at point A and draw an arc like this. You can write this statement as with center A and radius equal to 3.2 cm draw an arc. Now you have to open your compass with radius 4.2 cm and draw another arc from point C which intersects the first arc at point B like this. Second arc ने first arc को cut कर दिया at point B पे. We can write this statement with center C and radius 4.2 cm draw another arc to cut the first arc at point B. Now we have to join point B to point C and point B to point A. We can write it as join BC and AB. So ABC is the required triangle. इस तरीके से हम ट्राइंगल को ड्रा कर सकते हैं जब हमें थ्री साइड्स गिवन हो. In this question, two sides and one angle is given. Measure AB equal to 4.8 cm, measure BC equal to 3.7 cm. Measure angle B is also given, which is equal to 60 degree. We have to construct a triangle ABC. First of all, draw a line segment AB which is equal to 48 cm. At point B, we have to draw an angle of 60 degree. एंगल ड्रा करने के लिए हम पॉइंट बी पे कंपास रखेंगे और एक आर्क ड्रा करेंगे. अब ये आर्क जिस पॉइंट पे ए बी को टच कर रही है उस पॉइंट से हम एक और आर्क ड्रा करेंगे और इन दोनों आर्क्स के इंटरसेक्शन का जो पॉइंट है, जिस पॉइंट पे ये दोनों आर्क्स इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, उस पॉइंट को हम पॉइंट बी से अटैच करते हुए एक लाइन ड्रा करेंगे. दिस इज़ आवर एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. Now you have to open your compass with radius 3.7 cm. आप स्केल से कंपास को 3.7 cm ओपन करेंगे और पॉइंट B से एक आर्क ड्रा करेंगे which is named as C. Now we have to join point C to point A to make a triangle ABC. We can write these statements. Draw a line segment measure AB equal to 4.8 cm. At the end B of AB, make measure angle B which is equal to 60 degree. Cut of Meyer BC equal to 3.7 सेंटीमीटर. 3.7 सेंटीमीटर की हमने एक आर्क लगाई कंपास से. Join A to C. ABC is the required triangle. In this triangle, one side and two angles are given, which are Meyer AB equal to 2.5 centimeter, Meyer angle A equal to 30 degree, and Meyer angle B equal to 105 degree. We have to construct a triangle ABC. First of all, draw a line segment AB, which is 2.5 centimeter. For this, we can write a statement: draw a line segment Meyer AB equal to 2.5 centimeter. At point A, we have to draw an angle of 30 degree. We can make this angle by using a protractor like this, and we can write this statement for this as: at the end A of AB, make Meyer angle BAC equal to 30 degree. Similarly, at point B, we have to make an angle of 105 degree by using a protractor like this. We can write this statement as: at the end B of AB, make Meyer angle ABC equal to 105 degree. Both these sides meet at point C, so ABC is the required triangle. Next is question number 3. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 5 cm and one side is 3.2 cm. Hint is that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. It means that we have to construct a right angle triangle. It is given that hypotenuse equal to 5 cm and Meyer AB equal to 3.2 cm. One side is given and hypotenuse is also given. We have to construct a right angle triangle in which one angle must be of exactly 90 degree. First of all, draw a line segment Meyer AB equal to 3.2 cm. For this, we can write a statement: draw a line segment Meyer AB equal to 3.2 cm. Now we have to draw a semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. Semicircle ड्रा करने के लिए सबसे पहले आप कंपास को पॉइंट A पे रखेंगे और इसे AB के हाफ से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ओपन करेंगे. Then you have to draw two arcs. One is upside and second is downside. Similarly, you have to keep your compass at point B and draw two arcs which intersect both these arcs like this. Join the point of intersection of both these arcs in this way. Now keep your compass at the midpoint of AB and draw a semicircle like this. For this, we can write a statement: with center at O and radius equal to OA, draw a semicircle. Now take a scale and keep it at point A. You have to draw a line of 5 cm from point A to the semicircle. In this way, join point C to point B. And you can see that ABC is the required triangle. Now you can draw the triangles when sides and angles are given. You have to give your best, and thanks to all of you for sharing your precious time. Allah Hafiz.